Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the Google account or other accounts into your LG K50. To do this operation, go to your settings, General, Accounts, Add Accounts, and for now, tap the Google. Now you can log in into your exist account, Google account, by write your email here, or you can create new account. If you don't have it, just writing your first name, surname, click name and choose your nickname, and you're gonna create new Google account. That's it. After that, you're gonna have your Google account in your LG K50. So, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!